her game. Body clock ticking, the flames turning cold. Same one who ghosted you, now she wants gold. Posting something real like she changed her soul. Now she just needs a sheep to make a hole. She don't want you, brother, she want what you got. Stability, mortgage, split the bill on the thoughts. Wolves don't wife, sheep don't win. Don't let your harbor sink on her again. Wolves don't wife, sheep don't win. Know your worth before the vampires move in. Nice guy at 22, she laughed in your face. Now you're her retirement at 32's race. Flattered and grateful, you think that you won. Now you got promoted to clean up her fun. Janitor of beasts, you never did slay. Burying bodies from her wolf parade. She don't want you, she want what you mean. Safe harbor, come water, split the therapy. She don't want you, brother, she want what you built. Don't let the sheep hand over all his gain. Wolves don't wife, sheep don't win. Don't let your harbor sink on her again. Wolves don't wife, sheep don't win. Know your worth before the vampires move in. Work on yourself for a decade straight. Build something real, then under the gate.